If you are wondering how to get YouTube on your iPhone 16e, then let me show you what you need to do. So first of all, we need to find and open the App Store. You should be able to find it in the home screen. If not, then let's go to the app library. You should be able to find it, for example, in suggestions somewhere over here, or you can tap on app library search field and you should be able to find it here. So let's open the App Store. Now in the bottom right corner, select search, and we can tap on it twice in order to immediately search, or tap on this field in order to open the keyboard. And let's type YouTube. There we go. Find the YouTube app, you can tap on it in order to proceed, and next tap on this cloud over here with this arrow in order to start downloading the app. Now let's wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. The speed of that depends on the internet, of course, the connection that you have to the internet. But once it is installed, you will have the open button, so you can immediately jump to YouTube like this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!